a bottle of perfume to give me, Kasha? You want a bottle of perfume to give me, Kasha, when they're not even I pay 115,000 like a look by your mouth? In your house full of the old long time set. In your house full of the old long time dirty furniture from down a Syrian store. The cheap boy them. No good furniture in the house. And me have me house. I done put you up. I done a old building I live in a right at Bird Lane. I capture house in a. One of them come and take us beg one and beg and leave my name alone. And me have me house. I look for me up. And see me here. And me have me house. I look for me and see me here. Because if you call that house Kasha, me no want to say when they're not living nowhere. Because you see the room here, I want to spin this, I see the toilet there, and you spin this, I see the kitchen there, and you go right there, so they put in the bedroom. Kasha, me no want to say when if you live in a house, if you say you live in a house, me no want to say they're not living in a house. So you're a big woman, you're very distasteful on the internet. So you're a big long time woman who could have been my granny. My great granny, my step granny. You're very distasteful on the internet. Big nasty clown Kasha. For the time them over there call up my blood clot, they may not get nothing. Cause the girl with her egg yarn and the blood clot come and nasty and your shit. Big nasty long time all rock the curd, the dirty foot. Chip up crack back Kasha. You can't come tell Rosealee about perfume. You want to give me a bottle of perfume? I'm going to show my toilet. Kasha know you have toilet, you know? Kasha know you have toilet. You can't give me Rosealee perfume? Oh, me have. What me have what? She said me have a wipe off my bed. Fabric soft that wipe off my bed. I'm Kasha, I want to know what for the on my bed to me a fabric soft now. I wipe on bed, I'm have the picnic with a piss bed. Me not piss bed. Kasha, you come here chat. I know you stop walk and piss bed in the dirty girl. I know you stop walk and piss bed. You always gonna couldn't want to bring on girl in the worst. I know this tasteful. Kasha, I know you stop walk and piss bed. No people. At this, me see one argue with me every day. This. That me see really want to get up every day and say she argue with me. That. Kasha, me might share but me not like you. That, me see that. That's something that me see want to argue with me every day for some reason. Me don't really know why. Kasha, I'm going to the comment section talk. Me not going to talk today. Commenters, comment. Comment section, comment. I just sit there and me see one talk about me every day. That's sitting here, so this. What is she in her? What is this in her? What does you have on? You not even wear good clothes. You not tell girl about cologne. A Halloween party shot going on. Halloween party shot going on. And look what she have on. Then she look beard and tidy. No, me asking you know. Then she look beard and tidy. And them a people here, Chuck you steal the blood clot bride. I argue with me for blood clot there. Them a people here. She look like somebody with beard and tidy. What do you know? She look like somebody with beard and tidy. Like literally beard and have on good clothes and tidy. Kasha, look how you look at so you don't know fam. I know if I tell no girl about cologne, Perfume, roll on, not even house business for come out. Can you look at the last part I dump? When nobody now go. No people. Kasha say, our house fix up. And thank God for TikTok. Right? Hold on. Kasha mode there. We're in a Kasha mode. Look, Kasha. I them are invalid. Let me see one size up. That's it. Yeah. I them are invalid. Let me see one size up with me. Kasha, me not gonna answer you no more. Cause I know you literally shit. Me not gonna answer you, Kasha. Your mama walk up here. Your mama is a ugly worker. That's why you're ugly, so. You can't tell me about toothpaste, Roland. You can't get cologne, give me, look at your mouth. The time you take a buy cologne, go visit the dentist. Them are people that see want to argue with me. Look in her mouth. You saw her shit stain. No. Why do you miss the Kasha there? Why do you miss the Kasha there on the live? And buy one tin sachets. I have one tin sachets. And Kasha pull the tin sachets and drink the water. I'm not hungry, so. I said, I'm going to come out very hungry, you know. Who does it in 2024? Who does it in 2024, 2025? Who do that? Kasha pull the sachets tin and drink the water. Kasha use her teeth and pull the sachets tin and drink the water. She eat the sachets. Eh? I tell me say me a throw bro on the ground. You know what? I don't want to expose up on the internet so bad. You know, don't look hungry blood clot, self. Then I soon put you out. Donna soon put you out our building. If you're a big 46, 40-year-old woman, you just have to start life, that's crazy. If you're a big 40-year-old, 42, 50-year-old woman, you just have to start life, that's crazy. That is crazy. You just have to start life, Kasha. You just have no toilet. Eh? Kasha, you just have no good toilet, beloved. For a woman, we have 40 wall heap, soon 50 wall heap. You just have to start life, that's crazy. You're mad. Mad, sick, head no good. When you come in, you just come in for scam. Now you come in, Kasha, you big and stink na blood clot. With your curse, mama. Your mama was a long time overworker. When she did analyze upper madden, in a freezer, she beat down the door. Kasha remember say 2 times for your mama analyze. 2 times. 2 9 times she pronounce. Your mama walk up and I seen the pie. Your up here walk and mama will buy up and seen the pie, stink like. Your up here walk and mama she stink like. You stinking up here walk a woman. You just start life at 2024, 2025. And buy too cheap furniture. Cause the chest of jar we buy now cost more than 20,000. In your black car, in your 101 Dalmatian house. I want your Cruella de Vil. Cruella de Vil, what wrong with you? Go get your puppies. Kasha, go get your puppies. I want your cruel of the bill. In your 101 Dalmatian. Go get your puppies. Kasha, all I want is some little mongrel dog in your blood clot house. But on a perfect 101 Dalmatian. Because you look the part and you act the part. I remember the coral of the bill here never come, but you know, I saw her here trashy. You look the part and you act the part. 101 Dalmatian. And the dog them eating at the show. All I want about 8 or 10 mongrel dogs to full up in the house. I'm back. And I'm saying first woman, I see that black and white house. How much funeral service I keep in the house? But me have house. And me have house. Trying to make Donna put you out of bread lane. Trying to make Donna put you out of bread lane. And me have house. And me have house. Trying to make Donna put you out of bread lane. Can I couldn't have address for all people, all building. You come tell people every day about house. And you just live somewhere. Stinking Kasha come tell girl about house. And you just a cat somewhere good. You just a finally a cat somewhere. And you come tell girl about house. She a 40 wall heap. And just a find somewhere to live. And one company tell them a smaddy. Like them look good. Kasha, you never buy me the blood clot cologne. TikTok will buy it. Yeah. I mean I need 20 cologne. I need more than 8 or 9. Because I'm not going to use all of them at once. Me no want 20 cologne because me not going to use 8 or 9 at once. If Kasha 38 rough years. A slavery, hungry man beating everything in a one. Me not gonna come argue every day with thinking Kasha them. Cause me not put my pit them on bunk bed. Kasha 147. Life eat them and them hungry. And every time she miss have anything and come here for beg and scrape, and my name she use. Moving forward. Me as a graduate, I like moving forward. I'm gonna step on the germs the whole day like